Hey, it's AJ. I got this Master Lock Master 220. Hope you can see that. Looks pretty rough. So, we'll see if we can open this up. I don't have a key for it, so I don't even know if it will open. But we're going to give it a shot and find out. Funny thing, the other day I happened to be in a storage unit. I know the guy who owns one. And almost every unit that he has rented had a Master Lock number 3 on it. Some had even cheaper ones. I just couldn't believe that. It wants to open. It's really stiff. The pins are real stiff. They ain't been opened in a long time. I should put some graphite in there or something. Wow. Wow, they're really stiff. Pretty sure these are all just standard pins in here, but they're really stiff. They just don't want to move. Whoops. Break my pick. There it goes. And it's open. Sort of. Wow, is that stiff? Well, that's what I have for you right now. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you again.